Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to create footnotes in Word. I'll post another video, one that I didn't make but seems pretty good on how to do this in Google Docs. Okay, so first things first, I opened up to Chastain on page 151. I'm going to write a sentence here. The transportation revolution had profound effects on Latin America. That's not something your average person would know. They might not even know what the transportation revolution is. So this means it needs a footnote. I got this from page 151 and 151 to 153 in Chastain. So here's what we're going to do to make footnotes. Go up to References, Insert Footnote, and look what happens. A number appears behind the sentence, and that number corresponds to information that's going to be at the bottom of the page. If you go to, here I'll go back just so that it's demonstrated, if you go to the topics page for the research paper, open up the Chicago Manual of Style cheat sheet, which is up there obviously. There we go. Now, well, Dr. Cassidy, how is it that we make the footnote? Well, you got to type it in following the format defined by Chicago Manual. Just a second, let me get both of these at the same place at the same time. There we go. Books. So you got to find what kind of source this is. We're talking about Chastain, so it is a book. Basic example for book. All right, so now you've got to take the information from Chastain, or from whatever book it is you're using, and enter it in based on this format. Okay, so first name, last name, no problem. John Charles Chastain, comma. Title of book. Born in Blood and Fire, colon, a concise history, of Latin America. Okay, what comes next? Turn off my italics, open up a parentheses. City where it was published. Looks like this was published in both New York and London. So New York, comma, London. Comma. And state abbreviation. So here's what I would do. New York, comma, London, since you don't have to do a state abbreviation for the country. Colon. Publisher. Publisher is W. Norton and Company. Comma. Year this one was published. This edition was published in 2011. The way that you can figure that out is go to the page where there's a copyright and look for the latest date. This one says 2011, 2006, 2001, so 2011. Semicolon. How'd you know to do the semicolon? Follow the model. Page number. So what did I say? I think I said page 151 to 153. 151-3. Period. All right, so what does this do? What that does is, on your paper, this lets the reader see your source. Right there. Gives you all the information that you would need for that footnote. Now you have to look through here to find out how you're going to cite it from then on in. But we can discuss that. I'll discuss that later on in class. But that is how you make a footnote in Word. Please consult this if you get confused about anything. Again, this is all the journals, magazines, and newspapers section. You could find whatever kind of source you're trying to use here. You just got to find the source. Again, this is available on the topics page right there. All right, thank you.